pacifist Christians, yeah, and even some ordinary explainers think we can live in the same environment, coexist, live together, okay? When Christians with their unwitting cultist behavior leave the back door open for the invaders of our land to come in. How did Pop Smoke die? His lacking friends left the back door open. They no kill them when a Pop Smoke they kill. Now why DBs they isolate themselves from the bunch of solace offenders will be their family member. You all put everybody at risk when we can't make presidents swear in with offer from dreaded oracles. Instead, the very worst of our society, all these politicians, all of them don't kill person for their grassroots. The very worst of our society. Now them when I live make they swear in with powerless Bible where the invader creates, saying they will not favor their masters. No. Say now us where they go favor. Isn't that a joke? Now everybody nowadays, now if any was everybody they do 30 days rant challenge because you all need to get stuff off your chest. Useless lamentations. People who don't kill people for toll gates and nothing happen. UNICEF and co we don't do. Now the reason the thing is saying I need get stuff off on our chest because when I know feeds understand now, say how can hellfire be existing again when you dey in this kind of situation? Now this one now you know if you understand I don't know why guys they do that useless lamentation like useless Bible when you sure you say many people will even start that 30 days rant challenge don't even still die for the hand of the Nigeria.